Hi, parents! Before we start the episode, remember that your family can enjoy hundreds of fun and educational free videos for kids of all ages. Be sure to subscribe and get all the new shows and updates at PragerUkids.com. Welcome to Craftory, crafts, history, and your questions. I'm Jill, and today we're making a DIY piggy bank to learn about one of the United States' most brilliant founding fathers, Alexander Hamilton. Oh, we've got a question.
What does the founding father have to do with the piggy bank?
Fair question. A founding father of the United States was someone who helped create America's system of government in 1776 and the years after, when we declared freedom from Great Britain. There were many founding fathers: George Washington, John Adams, Thomas Jefferson, James Madison, and Benjamin Franklin were just a few. Now, Alexander Hamilton was also a founding father, and he worked hard to get our U.S. Constitution approved in 1788. Hamilton was also named the first U.S. Secretary of Treasury and helped create how our money works here in America. His face is on our $10 bill, which is why we're making a piggy bank today. I'll tell you more, but first, here's what you'll need to make our craft. A plastic bottle, this one used to have juice in it, a black marker, pink foam craft sheets, I have light and dark here, scissors, googly eyes, a hole punch, bottle caps, a hot glue gun, and an X-Acto knife. Now, these are for your parent or a grown-up to help you, because the X-Acto knife is really, really, really sharp. Let's start building our bank. I have a light pink foam sheet and my bottle here. We're gonna wrap it around the bottle. Let's see. Perfect! Now let's cut off the extra. Put this aside. Lay this piece flat, and I'm going to draw a coin slot right in the middle of it. A rectangle just like that. Cut this out. I'm gonna poke a hole. There we go. Done. Hot glue this pink sheet to the bottle and make sure that you dot glue right around the coin slot so it stays sturdy. Stick the bottle on. Press it carefully. Put another line of glue here. Let's do it on the inside of this coin slot too. And perfect! About Alexander Hamilton. He was born in the 1750s in the British West Indies, also known as the Caribbean, and had a hard life as a boy. His father left, and then his mother died when he was young. He was an orphan with no money, but was very smart and wanted to succeed. People in his community believed he could achieve great things if he got an education. So they bought him a ticket to sail to America. More about Hamilton in a minute, but first, let's make our coin slot in our bank. Here's what you're going to ask your grown-up to do. Cut out the coin slot on the plastic bottle with the sharp X-Acto knife. There we go. Next, we're going to take our 4 black bottle caps, and these are going to be our piggy bank's feet. Take the bottle, you're gonna flip it over so the coin slot is on the bottom. We are going to hot glue caps on either side of the seam. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 piggy feet. And he stands up. Now, back to Alexander Hamilton. Eventually, he traveled to New York City and used his talents to fight for freedom. He bravely fought in the American Revolution with George Washington. And Hamilton was also a great, great writer. Many say that our U.S. Constitution became law because of essays that he wrote. In 1789, President Washington named Hamilton the first U.S. Secretary of Treasury. Oh, a quarter! Thanks! And it's George Washington. Hamilton's job was to make America's money system strong. And he did it by creating a national bank. Let's make our Piggy's snout. Get your dark pink foam and take the cap off so that we can trace it to the right size. There we go. Cut it out. There we go. Now I want to cover the outside of my cap too, so I'm going to cut a strip of dark pink foam that's wider than the side of this cap. We're going to glue this cap on, keeping the closed edge of our cap right on the edge of the strip, and cut off the extra. Let's see if it fits. Ah, there we go. Okay, let's finish this snout. Get your black pen and color the top of your bottle cap. You don't have to color the whole thing, just most of it. You'll see why in a second. That should do it. Hole punch, nostrils into the middle of the circle you just cut, and glue it onto that bottle cap. There we go. We did it! And every piggy bank, of course, needs eyes. There we go. Oh, he's cute. I love him already. Now, when Hamilton became Secretary of Treasury, his first goal was to repay all the money the United States borrowed to fight the British. It was about $75 million. He said, "The debt of the United States was the price of liberty." Hamilton also wanted the Treasury to create a United States mint to make U.S. coins. A mint was created, but didn't become part of the Treasury Department until 1873. It's time to make the ears. Let's go with our light pink foam, and you're just going to draw a teardrop shape and then cut it out. Now take this shape and trace another one so the ears are the same size. Now you could leave the ears like this, but let's get fancy. Get your dark pink foam. Trace one of these onto the dark pink foam, but we're gonna make the inside of the ear, so draw a little teardrop inside, and we're going to cut out this little teardrop. Trace this little teardrop, make another one for the other ear. So we have 2 light pinks, 2 dark pinks. We're now going to hot glue them like this and make sure the bottom of the teardrops are touching. This little piggy went to market. Who knows that one? Once you've glued your ears, take your scissors and you're going to cut a little slit right at the bottom, just like this. Once you've got this, take a dot of glue, put it on one side of the slit, and then fold the other side over to make it curved, because every piggy bank needs real piggy ears. There we go. Good? Let's glue it onto our bank. Right where a piggy's ears should be. Oh, he's so cute! Let's make his tail. Not done yet, almost there. Draw a circle about the size of our bottle cap, but it can be a little bit bigger if you want it to. Almost a circle. Now draw a swirly inside of your circle. Just like this. Cut the whole circle out on the outside. Now, cut the line you made on the inside. Ah! Fun trick, right? This fat part that I'm holding in the middle, we're going to glue that to our piggy's bottom. There's our piggy's tail. Oh, he's adorable. I love him. Can we name him Hammy? Get it? Hammy? Hamilton? Alexander Hamilton was one of our United States founding fathers who had many talents. He fought in the American Revolution and made America's money system strong. Next time you see him on the $10 bill, remember that. Thanks, man. We hope you had fun. If you've got ideas or questions for our next Craftory, send them our way. Keep crafting, keep learning, and keep celebrating land of the free and home of the brave. Now, let's find some loose change and bring home the bacon. Thank you for watching. You know we've got more episodes, right? Watch the whole series on our website. And parents, you can subscribe at PragerUkids.com.